Good morning, dear English scholars. I'm recording videos so that you can have the process of learning easier. Why? Because in the first part, in home part, you have some videos to watch, to reflect upon them, many things to do, to read audio books, which is also important. And also in the introductory part, you have to do the research about who you are as a student, as an emotional being, as a financial being as well. So all of this is very, very important so that you can be successful while learning English. Okay. Additionally, you have in here the Unit 1, Unit 2, Unit 3. I mean, all of what is regarding English learning. So you're going to have lots of things to do. So if you don't organize it, it's going to be it's going to be very stressful, right? So I already created video so that you can be more organized. But this video is basically to know how you can find the information that you have to do easier. For example, in here you have like the general information that you need to take into account to be able to do the activities that are going to be in your drives, all right? I think it is clear. However, among these activities, there are also other small things that you need to take into account to be able to comply with all the activities that you are going to write down in the reflective journal, in the dictionary, speaking, reading, in all the drives that you have. Okay? So, I created a timetable. I already told you about it, but anyways, it is important to emphasize the objectives of this drive. In here, it is organized the entire week, you see, until Sunday. It is like a proposal for you to organize your time, taking into account what you have to do. The first part that you need to take into account is the grammar and vocabulary section. You're going to organize in one way of the week. Why? Because you need to study this. You need to do things, but also you need to do things. Remember, this is a virtual learning environment in which you are going to learn about English and about other things. We're going to base on YouTube videos, other YouTube videos, or other information found in other websites, okay? So you need to do this. My proposal was to do it in February 26th. So it is supposed to be done already. But if not, this is a strategy to start doing something with my time, not only with the schedule and the chronometer that I show you, but also taking into account this. Tuesday, speaking. So those are the activities for speaking. Those are the activities for writing, for reading, listening, reflective journal, voluntary work, English instruction preparation, and what you have to what you have to do for preparing for the English virtual class, for the English speaking club, and for also the virtual week class, which is going to be through Skype. So this is the preparation to do our English club. All right. So therefore, it is important to do it weekly. Okay. I know you have more things to do regarding, I don't know, other courses or maybe in the school you work. That if you organize your time, you're going to be very successful. Remember, some people have, actually, Japanese people said that it's not about extreme intelligence, but it's a matter of discipline and organization, okay? So organize your time so that you can do all of this inside your daily activities and your weekly schedule, okay? You need to write down all the things that you have to do for speaking. You are going to go to the drive of speaking. Everything that is regarding writing, you are going to go to the drive of writing. About reading, listening, reflecting, all of these things have a drive. So you need to go to that drive, to your drive in which you have your code, and do the reading part in the reading code, in the reading drive. The listening part in the listening drive. The reflective journal in the reflective journal drive. That's canon. Grammar and vocabulary is going to do in your notebook, virtual notebook. It is like your cuaderno, your virtual notebook. And the book. So this is the first thing that you need to do to be able to do these exercises better, because this is like the grammar as it says, and the vocabulary that you need to use during the week, okay? So basically, this is what I want you to take into account. You already have this link. This link was shared to all of you, to the English scholars. So please, every day, watch it, and based on that, program your daily schedule, your weekly schedule, and your monthly chronogram.